Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn messaging templates for faster follow-ups. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure LinkedIn messaging templates for faster follow-ups, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your LinkedIn homepage. In the top menu, locate the messaging icon and click on it. This will take you to your LinkedIn message inbox. In your message inbox, look for the icon that resembles a pencil or plus sign, typically found in the top right corner. Click on this icon to initiate a new message. In the message composition window, you will see an option for templates or a similar label. Select the templates option to view any existing templates or create a new one. To create a new template, click on the plus new template button. Enter a name for your template to easily identify it later. In the main text area, type your desired message for the template. Be concise and ensure your message is clear and professional. You can include placeholders for personalization, such as the recipient's name or company. Once you are satisfied with your template, look for a Save button at the bottom of the window. Click on Save to store your new messaging template. To use your template in future messages, return to the messaging inbox. Initiate a new message as before by clicking on the pencil or plus sign icon. This time, select your saved template from the template options. The text will automatically populate in your message composition area. Make any necessary adjustments or personalizations before sending. Repeat this process to create multiple templates for different follow-up scenarios. Now you can send follow-ups swiftly and efficiently using your LinkedIn messaging templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.